Hello everyone. Today we will learn when to use this, that, these and those. This, that, these, those. When anything which is near to us, we should use the word this or these. When any one thing which is near to us, we should use the word this. This is a ball. This is a cat. When many things are near to us, we should use these. These are books. These are balloons. When things are far away from us, we should use the word that or those. When one thing which is far away from us, we should use that. That is a tree. That is a dog. When many things are far away from us, we should use those. Those are trees. Those are stars. Now it's your turn. 3, 2, 1, get ready. This is a ball. This is a cat. These are books. These are balloons. That is a tree. That is a dog. Those are trees. Those are stars. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Ding Dong Kids.